Hello, today we're gonna cook spicy and sour kangkong soup.
So what are the ingredients?
There are kangkong, coconut milk, sour tamarind, Khmer spice paste, tofu, mushroom, soy sauce, soy, chili, and red pepper paste.
So how do we cook this food?
First, we need to turn on fire. And we put the coconut milk. We put coconut milk and stir it with Khmer spice paste. And we add red pepper paste. We stir it until it's fragrant. So now we add the tofu. And we add the mushroom. And we add some sauce. And soy sauce to taste. And we add sour tamarind. We leave it about 2 or 3 minutes. And we add the kangkong. So we need to leave it until it's soft. So now it's cooked. We need to close fire.
The food looks stunning.
So now our food is finished. I hope that you all will try this at home. Thank you for watching.